Now, when it comes to gaming on the go, a lot of people's minds go directly for the handheld PC gaming consoles. You've got your Steam Deck, your MSI Claw, your Nintendo Switch, Nintendo Switch 2. But what if I told you there was a solution to this at a fraction of the cost? And that's by using what everyone has in their pocket, their phone. A lot of devs out there have realized that phones have a crazy potential and they've just not harnessed it enough. But the only downside of using your phone is that small real estate and really cramped holding. But what if I told you I also had a solution for that as well? Well, you're in luck, because I do. This is the Acer Nitro gaming handheld controller. Yes, that was awesome. This is the NRG400. Very simplistic, gives you exceptional comfortability and ease of use. All you have to do, get the USB-C part, plug that into your phone, whether it's Android or iOS, whack that on the other side of your phone, and there you have a handheld console. Now, there is obviously that slight downside that not every single game on the app stores have the compatibility of using a controller like this or even an external controller, but a lot of devs out there have realized that people are going down this kind of route because it's a lot cheaper and it's a lot more convenient, so they're starting to make their games a lot more compatible with external controllers. But that's not everything. Oh no, because Xbox and Steam even allow you to stream directly to your mobile device from their cloud servers, you can play any game on your phone and use a controller. So you've basically got yourself a Steam Deck or a Claw or whatever in your hands for a fraction of the price. But even better, because I have a deal as well, because at the moment they're having a Easter sale, so you can actually get the Nitro mobile gaming controller NRG400 even cheaper by using the link in the description if you want to go and check that out. Obviously the sale will end soon, so if you don't get there in time, unfortunately you'll be paying the full price, but if you do, you're getting yourself a cheeky discount, so that is a bonus. Let's go over the actual device itself, build quality and so on, before you make your decision on whether you're going to buy it or not. So now when it comes down to the build quality, of course it's plastic. They're not going to make this thing out of complete metal like every other controller out there. Plastic, but it's durable and it feels comfortable. On the back you've got this nice textured feeling with these little rubber pads just to give you that extra comfortability. With the red rubber inside, you do get an extra one in the package and also a different insert for the center, just in case your phone doesn't fit exactly perfect inside this controller. They give you some different inserts just to help with making it so it does fit nicely. When it comes to the triggers, again, they're tactile. It feels like you are playing on an actual controller. It's insane how well built this thing is, and the analogs are in their perfect position. I don't know if these are Hall effect or not, but they are very, very responsive. You've also got this nice little D-pad on the left side here that has a little bit of a squish, but also a nice tactile click, so you do get that nice responsive feel as well, and the buttons are also very clicky. The thing I love about this is how easy it is to take the phone in and out without having any issues, because a lot of the time when you have these controllers, when you put your phone in, you go to take it out, it's very awkward to do, so they've made this that nice folding mechanism where you can click it and then pull it straight onto your phone, or again vice versa to take off. It holds it very nicely. You can then fold it in half and whack it in your pocket. Another good feature about this controller is that USB-C at the bottom, so you can charge your phone at the same time as playing, so you get extra long gaming sessions. So as you saw while I was talking about the device there, I was playing a couple of different games. Now, one being Car X Street, and that felt absolutely fantastic. Super responsive. There was no lag, no input lag. The buttons worked fantastic, and it just felt like I was playing the actual PC game but on my phone. And again, with other little indie games out there now supporting these kind of controllers, you can really indulge yourself into some sit down gaming time. Instead of having to set up your PC, console, whatever it is, you can sit down with your phone, pull this little thing out your pocket or even a drawer, whack it together, and next thing you know, you've got yourself a nice little handheld, log into the Xbox servers, whatever you're doing, and you've got yourself a perfect little sit down buddy just to relax and enjoy the night off. Now, I've had a fair amount of time at using this, and I can tell you, personal experience, I'm absolutely loving it. I used to use the Razer Kishi, but this thing has just dominated in not only style, looks, build quality, comfortability. Everything that I could possibly say is just positive. I don't think I've found a negative as of yet. The comfortability is just perfect. The way they've laid it out, exactly like a controller would be if I'm using like a Steam Deck or so forth. It's just a perfect size. Now, if you've got a smaller phone, it could be a bit of an issue, because the smaller the phone, the smaller sort of space you've got, so it might feel a bit more cramped. But because I've got the S23 Ultra, it's quite a large screen, which makes it feel very much like it is already a console in itself. Now, I've had a good amount of time playing on this thing, like I said, but there's one button that I haven't really tried out, and that's the little red button here that has the Nitro logo. This is apparently a screen capture, whether you are a content creator for mobile gaming or just in general want to make some content on playing a game. That little button there apparently captures your screen. Now, whether that means screenshot or recording, I have no idea. So if anyone knows about that button, let me know in the comments below, because it'll be exciting to see how that could pan out for if you're streaming or so on. But for me, this is definitely a 10 out of 10. If you have one of these and have found any issues, please let me know in the comments as well, because it's always nice to know other people's sort of situations when it comes to things like this. I mean, the only downside I think I found about this is it procrastinates. You know, it makes me not work because I'm sitting there, I've got my phone on the side like this, just chilling. I've got this on this side here. Super easy just to grab it, flip it out, get your phone, plug that in. Next thing you know, you are ready to game. Super simple, super quick. So if you want to check this out and have yourself a handheld gaming console without having to pay out a crazy amount of money, there is a link in the description. And like I said, they are on sale at the moment for Easter. Once that sale's gone, you'll be paying full price. So get there quick before they sell out or the sale ends. But anyway, a massive thank you to Acer for sending this out. And if you have any other questions about this device or want to know more, please leave them in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts on this device, or if you've got a better one out there that you think could beat the Nitro NRG 400. My name's been Callum, Capture, Create, Captivate, and I'll see you all in the next video.